Hello everyone, this is Alberto with ReadNetworks.com, and today as part of our Proofpoint Essentials tutorial series, we're going to be going over how to change spam and filter settings. So in order to do that, we're going to go to our customer management, and we're going to go to customers. We're going to go ahead and find the customer that we've been working on, and then from here we're going to go to email and spam settings. By default, this trigger level is 7. 9 times out of 10, you won't actually be messing with this. We've seen that users typically default on 7, which is a good point to be at. But if you are noticing that more spam or more email that you want is being let in, you can go ahead and change this. We do recommend, however, that you change it one number at a time. So you change it from 7 to 6 or 7 to 8 if you notice that email is being let in. We recommend you don't make a dramatic change, because if you do make a dramatic change, then it will dramatically change your email that you are receiving. So from here, we can also add a spam stamp and forward. So with this, it is completely optional. We don't have to actually set it up, but if you do want to, you can go ahead and set it to partial. You can add this spam stamp to the subject tag, and then any email that you receive, you can have an option to whether you want to actually consider it spam, or if it's something safe that you actually want to receive, you can go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and hit save. From here, we're going to go over to the senders list, and here we have a safe sender already, which is Bob. We know that Bob won't actually send us any spam email or anything that is malicious. However, if we do notice that we are receiving some senders list that we don't want, we can go ahead and include them in this. And then we can also do this for each individual. So we can go to users. We're going to go to our test user, and then if we go to spam, we can go ahead and change their trigger level, as well as give them the spam stamp and forward. We can also give him a safe senders list and a blocked senders list. So if you notice that maybe the test user is receiving a lot of spam, you can include the added email in here. So thank you guys for watching. We hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.